Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir MTech JU. My name is Rahul Paul and I am a faculty in the field of mathematics. In this particular video, we are going to discuss exercise 8.1 of chapter Trigonometry of your class 10 CBSE, where we are going to discuss question number 9 and question number 10 of this particular exercise. So let us get started with the first question. So as you can see in front of you, in question number 9, we have a triangle ABC, right angled at B, and it says if tan A is equals to 1 by root 3, then find the value of number A, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and number B, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So in order to do this particular problem, we have to first of all draw a right angle triangle. So let us have this right angle triangle. Now let us name the particular triangle as ABC. So let's say this is A, and since this is right angled at B, so B has to be here, and this is C. So B has 90 degree. Now it has been said that tan A is 1 by root 3. So let us write it down. So tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. Now, as I have mentioned, whenever we are solving a trigonometrical problem based on right angle triangles, we have to figure out all the sides of the triangle so that we can go further with the problem. So we know tan theta means perpendicular by base. So I can say it is equals to perpendicular by base. Okay, and since it has been mentioned as tan A, that means we are targeting this particular angle. So if this is A, then obviously BC will be the perpendicular, this is the perpendicular, and AB will be the base, and of course AC is the hypotenuse. So from here we can say the perpendicular is equals to 1 multiplied by any constant k. So let us call it as 1k, and the base will be equals to root 3k, root 3 into the multiplier k. So here we have the perpendicular, which is 1k, and we have the base, this one, which is root 3k. And as I've mentioned, if the angle is this one, that is angle A, then only this is the perpendicular, this is the base. But if the angle is this one, then this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base. Okay, so this is the first thing that we need to do. Now let us try to solve the particular problems. The first one is, so the first problem is given as sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now in order to continue, we have to find every particular value. So what is sin A? So let us try to figure out what is sin A. So sin A will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, and since this is A, this will be the perpendicular, that is 1k, and the hypotenuse, what will be the value of hypotenuse? So the first thing that we have to do, we have to figure out the hypotenuse. So we know that in this particular triangle, the hypotenuse square will be equals to the perpendicular square plus base square according to Pythagoras. So we know the hypotenuse square, which is AC. So AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AC is something that we have to find out. What is AB? AB is root 3k whole square plus BC is 1k whole square, or simply k square. Okay. So what will be AC square? So this is 3k square and one more k square, so it will be 4k square. So what will be AC now? So AC will be equal to square root of 4k square, which is equals to 2k. So here we have the hypotenuse, which is having a value of 2k. So let us write this one here. So sine A is actually 1 by 2. Okay, so let us first of all put the value here. So sine A is 1 by 2. Similarly, what will be cos C? Now for cos C, we have to figure out what is cos C. So cos C, as we know, cos C will be the angle C we will take. So cos equals to base by hypotenuse. So since this is the angle, so base will be this one now, that is BC, and hypotenuse will be AC. So BC by AC. So BC is 1k, AC is 2k. So again it will be 1 by 2. K will get cancelled out. Okay. So this is cos C. So cos C is again 1 by 2. Plus, now cos A. What will be cos A? So cos A will be this angle A. So base will be this one, AB by AC. AB by AC. So AB will be root 3k and AC will be 2k. So the k will get cancelled out. The answer will be root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So sin C will be here, it will be perpendicular. Now if this is C, so perpendicular will be this one and hypotenuse will be this one. So AB by AC. Sin C will be AB by AC. So here AB is root 3 by 2, the same one. So again we are going to write here root 3 by 2, right? So this is the total interpretation. So let us solve this one. So it will be 1 by 4. It will be 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 will be 3 by 4. So the answer in total will be 1. So this is the answer to question number A. Let us go to question number B now. So what is question number B? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now we already have the values here. See, cos A, cos C, sin A, sin C, we already have it. So we just need to put the values. So cos A, we have already found out cos A as root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 by 2. Cos C again will be 1 by 2. minus sine A. Sine A is again 1 by 2. And sine C is again root 3 by 2. So now we need to just open the brackets and get the value. So it will be root 3 by 4 minus again root 3 by 4. So the result comes as 0. So the first one had the answer of 1 and the second one had the answer of 0. So that is the end of this particular question. So I hope this is very much clear. Now let us move on with the question number 10 of this particular exercise 8.1. And after that, on the next video, we will start exercise 8.2. So let us go to question number 10. Okay, so we have question number 10. It says in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equals 25 centimeter and PQ is equals 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So in order to start this, we have to draw a right angle triangle and we have to name it as PQR. So since Q is the right angle, so this will be Q, this will be P and this will be R. Right. So now we have to figure out what are the values. Now we have PQ equals 5, which is already given. So this is 5 centimeter. And since we are asked to find out sin P, cos P, tan P, so we are asked to find out the angle of P here. Like we have to find according to angle of P. So if P is the concerned angle, so obviously the 5 centimeter will be the value of the base and QR here will be the perpendicular. Okay, so let us figure it out. First of all, let us figure out the sides and then only we can proceed with the questions. So how can we figure out the sides? Now what are the conditions we are having? The first condition that we are having is PR plus QR will be equals to 25 centimeter. Let us make it an equation. Let us make it equation number 1. So in equation number 1, we have PR plus QR equals 25 centimeter. Now, what we need to do is we need to figure out what is the value of PR and what is the value of QR. Once we know this one, then finding out sin P, cos P, tan P will be very easy. So how to figure it out? We are going to use this particular equation, that is equation number 1, in order to proceed. But before that, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can say PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. Now we only have the value of PQ here. Two of the sides is unknown to us and we have another equation 1 so that we can take the help of that. So we can say that PQ square will be equals to PR square minus QR square. PR square minus QR square. Right? What we did, we just found put PQ on one side and took everything on the other side. Now, what is PQ? PQ is given as 5 centimeter. So PQ square is going to be 25. So this is 25. And we have PR square minus QR square. If we try to interpret this one as A square minus B square, the formula goes like A plus B into A minus B. So we can say it will be PR plus QR into PR minus QR. Right? Now PR plus QR, we already have the value as 25 according to equation number 1. So we can write it further as 25 equals to, now this one is also 25, and this one will be as usual PR minus QR. So from here we can write PR minus QR will have a value of 25 upon 25, which is equals to 1. So from here we can also write PR minus QR equals to 1, and let this be equation number 2. So we have got two equations now. PR plus QR is this one, PR minus QR is this one. So let us try and solve this particular thing, two equations, with the help of elimination method. So we have PR plus QR equals 25, and we have PR minus QR equals 1. So let us first of all add the two equations. Let this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. If we add the two equations, so what happens? This is plus QR, this is minus QR. This will be getting cut, and this is plus. So PR plus PR will be twice of PR, and here 25 plus 1 will give 26. So from here we can get the value of PR as 13. So PR will be 13 centimeter. PR here will be 13 centimeter. And if we put the value of PR in any of the equation 1 or equation 2, we can get the value of QR. So the value of QR will be 12 centimeter. Right? So let us put these values now on the diagram. So PR is 13 centimeter and QR is 12 centimeter. So our triangle is finally complete, and now we have to just figure out what is sine P, cos P, tan P, which is very easy. So let us figure out. So sine P will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now since this is P, so automatically this becomes your perpendicular, and this becomes the base, and this becomes the hypotenuse. Right? So sine P will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is QR by PR. So sine P will be equals to QR by PR. So QR will be having the value, what will be the value of QR? QR is 12 and PR is 13. So 12 by 13, that will be sine P. Then we have cos P and tan P. So cos P will be base by hypotenuse. So since this is P, so this is the base. So PQ by PR. Cos P, PQ by PR, which is 5 by 13. And tan P will have a value of, what will be tan P now? Tan P will be perpendicular by base. So if this is P, so perpendicular is going to be this one. So QR by PQ, QR by PQ. QR by PQ. So QR is going to be 12 and PQ is going to be 5. I guess it's 12 by 5. Yes. So this is 12 by 5. So this is sine p 12 by 13. This is cos p 5 by 13, and this is tan p 12 by 5. And that is the end of this particular question. So I hope that you have understood this particular two questions that we have discussed in this video. On the next video onwards, we are going to discuss exercise 8.2. We will discuss all the questions starting from 1 to the last, and then we will move on with exercise 8.3, and like this we will continue. So I will see you again on the next video. I hope you are having a good time with the videos. So keep watching, and I will see you again. Bye bye.